Hi Ultimate Gardeners, welcome back to the Ultimate Gardening channel. I'm Imani Arce, the Ultimate Gardener. My goal is to help you guys grow in the garden industry and help you guys become an Ultimate Gardener. In today's exciting inspiring video, we are going to be planting vegetable seeds, and I'm going to show you guys a full-on tutorial on how to do that. And yes, we are partnering with a company today, and that company is called Jung Seed Company. They're an amazing company. They did send seeds for me to trial this year, and of course we're going to be planting them today. So if you want to know the seeds we're planting and all the details you need to know on vegetable seed starting, please stay tuned. So guys, here's the seeds Jung Seed Company sent me. So today we'll be starting some squash summer or early white bush scallop squash. I absolutely love how this squash looks like, and so I can't wait to see how it grows. So that's gonna be the first two pots. The second pot is the space hybrid spinach. My family, especially my mom, loves spinach, so we're gonna do the favor for her and plant that. The other one is bonbon hybrid squash. This right here has a beautiful color, and I'm interested to see how it grows. This is the first year I'm doing this type of squash, so I can't wait to see how this one goes out. The next one is Sweet Success hybrid cucumber. My mom loves cucumber, especially in like soups and stuff like that, so this is gonna be for her as well. And then we have the Choice Supreme beet, which beets are one of the easiest things to grow in my opinion, so we're gonna be doing that today. So as you can see, each seed packet is gonna have 2 pots of its own, and so today I'm gonna show you guys the proper way on how to seed start and all that. And so yeah, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So guys, when starting seed, you have to have a fluffy medium, and I do right here. And so seed starting is something a lot of people struggle with, but some people don't struggle with seed starting. My personal preference is not to start from seed because I'm not the best at it, but I do know how to start it. So yeah, so we're gonna be planting. First up is the space hybrid spinach. So the space hybrid spinach is gonna be the first 2 cells right here. And so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna open up the seed packets, of course. And so spinach seeds are a tad bit big and like average size, and so that's amazing. And so I'm gonna put 3 seeds in each, because when starting seeds, not all seeds might germinate, so you want to at least have 1 plant in there, so you want to be secure, and so you want to use 3 to be sure that they grow. And then later on, once these germinate, I'm gonna make an update video on how you do it to go ahead and spacing and stuff like that, but that's gonna be later on in the months. And so this spinach seeds, as you can see, is clearly right here. So let me pop it up to the video right there. You can see those 3 dots. And so with that, you're gonna go ahead and get a stick, and you're just gonna lightly push them down like so, and then you're gonna tap the sides, and that's technically it. One of the easiest things to do. And so you do that to the other one. Push down, push down, push down, you tap, and you're done. So that's our first tray right there. And so the second one we're going to be planting is the early white bush scallop squash right here. I seen Callie Kim plant these, and it's amazing, so huge shout out to her. And so scallop squash seeds are big, so we're only going to be planting 2 in each due to how big, and plus squash are one of the easiest things to germinate, and they germinate pretty fast. So yeah, so let me show you. So here are the 2 seeds right there, right here, and right there. And so we're gonna go ahead and do the same tactic and pushing them down like so, and you're gonna tap the sides once again, and you're done. So let me do that with the other one. Another way you could do it is pre-make a hole, get the seed and just drop it in there like so. This is usually used for bigger seeds, so And you're done. So we already planted the early white bush scalloped squash, and then we planted the how do you say it, the space hybrid spinach. So let me actually put the packets in there so I would remember. So next up, we're gonna do the bonbon hybrid squash. So once again, the seeds are pretty big. I could tell. Yup, these are enormous. So once again, we're gonna go with 2, because what happens if one doesn't germinate, which is pretty rare for squashes because they're very easy to germinate. And so the method I like to use with these is like the other one. So you're gonna pre-make a hole like that, and then you're just gonna drop the seed in and then fill it back up, and then you're gonna make a pre-make a hole and drop the seed back in, and then you tap, and you're done. So then we're gonna do that to the other one. So that's once again the bonbon hybrid squash. The next one we're gonna do is the Sweet Success hybrid cucumbers. And by the feels of this packet, they're pretty like average size. So once again, we're just gonna do 2. And with this one, we're gonna use it like the other first one. So as you can see, the 2 seeds, we're just gonna lightly just push them down into the soil and tap, and we're done. Let's do that to the other one. And you're done. So once again, this is the Sweet Success cucumber. The last one we're gonna do is the Detroit Supreme Beet. And like so, we're gonna place 3 this time. So we're gonna place 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 3. Okay. And so with this one, we're gonna do the exact same tactics. As you can see, the 3 seeds right there. We're just gonna push down to the soil, push down into the soil, and push down into the soil. Tap it, and you're done. You're gonna do it once again. Tap it, and you're done. And so a little bit more details on how to plant vegetable seeds is a lot of gardeners, or the gardeners who struggle in seed starting, usually just leave their seeds like this and they move on. No, that's not the case. You have to water them automatically so they could be soaked in water, and their germination or their process in sprouting could start, because when they are in just dry soil, they feel like sort of like if they were in the seed packet, because the dry soil has a lot of air pockets, and so the seeds have a lot of air circulation towards them. So you need to close those air bubbles and water them to settle the water, so they know they're in soil, and so they could start germinating. Another thing they do, or another thing a problem gardeners do, is overwatering, which is a huge thing in seed starting, and it's a huge thing you don't want to do, because overwatering could cause to the seeds not germinate, or in worst cause have the seeds rot and not even germinate at all. So you want to just lightly spray, or just, you know, wet it, but do not completely like make it into mud, because once you make it into mud, you basically overwatered. You just want to make a light spray over it, or just a nice douse of water. And of course, I'm gonna show you guys how to do that right now. So let's go ahead and show you guys how to water properly. So guys, this is how you water. So here's the tray, and here I have my watering wand from Drim that they sent me. And so you turn it on, and you just go like this. and that's it. That's basically how you technically water your seeds. That's it. And the other thing you could check to see if your water is like completely soaked, you go in and you push away the soil a tad bit and you see that the soil is completely wet. If not, then go ahead and dose it again. So guys, it's time to talk about fertilizing. And here I went ahead and I sprouted a few cabbages. And so one cell didn't give, unfortunately, but we're just gonna have to go with it. But the other ones did, which is amazing. And so a lot of gardeners usually go ahead and fertilize them at this stage. You're not supposed to do that due to how small the root system is and how delicate the plant is. I would not prefer you to go ahead and fertilize, because fertilizer are for more mature and more stable plants, and because fertilizer acts sort of like another power or something to give it more strength. And so seeds like this just starting out do not prefer fertilizer yet until they're actually planted into the ground. So gardeners, do not fertilize your little seedlings, even if it's like they're big enough. Don't do it, because they're still growing and this is still the beginning of their stages. Not even with a liquid fertilizer, you can't fertilize your seeds yet due to how small the root system is and how big the plant is. It's not the right time right now to go ahead and fertilize them. If you don't want to kill your seedlings, please do not fertilize, because that could kill your seedlings due to how overpowering the fertilizer is. And so you do not want to go ahead and put at risk your little seedlings. So that's a little tip on fertilizing. And so yeah, so I just go ahead and went over the basics on how to vegetable seed start. And so hopefully you found this video very educational and informative. Hopefully you guys found something like useful in this video. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Let's go ahead and wrap up this video for you guys. So guys, that's it for this exciting spreading video. Once again, a huge shout out to Jung Seeds for sending these seeds out. They're an amazing company. All their media links are down below for you guys to check out. Go follow them, go support them. They really are an amazing company and I would highly recommend them. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button. And if you want to support my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you want to get notified when a new exciting spreading video comes out, just like this one, make sure to hit that bell notification button so you get notified when a new exciting spreading video comes out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Never forget to grow big, ultimate gardeners. Bye guys.